And this university has its roots in Pakistan. As you all know, at Faisalabad, which was Lalpur earlier, we had the Punjab Agriculture Research Institute over there. That was formed in 1906. So, how many colleges were formed in 1906? There are 5 agriculture colleges which were formed by the British because they needed more food, and they thought that this should be put on a education, should be put on a priority, especially agriculture education. So 5 colleges were established at that time. Pusa was also at that time established at Bihar. TNAU was there, Kanpur was there, one at Pune and one at Lalpur. And at Lalpur we had a good institute, and it has developed into a very good agriculture college now also. And this college came round after partition from there. Even we had some fans and all of that institute, वहाँ से उतार के ले आए थे उसको भी, यहाँ ला के लगे थे, काफ़ी देर लगे थे जब हम BSc करते थे. So this was inaugurated in 1963 by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, but it came round over to this place in 1962 as PAU Ludhiana, Punjab Agriculture University. Later on in 70s, it was bifurcated into HAU and then Palanpur. जैसे जैसे स्टेट की बाइफर्केशन हुई, इसकी so trifurcation was there. So till date we have released almost 850 plus varieties of different crops. And the contribution of PAU, as you all know, is enormous in the sense that we have been providing food to the whole of the nation. The central pool, the PDS system, public distribution system, जो राशन के लिए जाती है, so almost 40% of the food grains come from the state of Punjab, wheat and paddy. But of course, with the new laws, now we have to see what it happens, because those laws are also going to affect all of us, even you people. You are the young blood who are to come again. जो अब आगे आना है, so आप सबको भी इफेक्ट करना है उससे, because you are linked with the farmers. और जो फार्मर को जो चीज़ इफेक्ट करेगी, they will affect the agriculture graduates also. So you go around the university.
Yes, sir.
That's आपको कुछ salient दिखाएंगे. Had these not been the COVID times, तो फिर आप यहाँ स्टे भी कर सकते थे एक आध दिन. We would have gone into more detail.
इससे फिर नेक्स्ट चक्कर लगाएंगे. तो वी आर रियली थैंकफुल कि आपने इतने शॉर्ट टाइम पे हमें रिस्पांस किया, और वी आर लकी दैट यू स्पेयर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस.
मोस्ट वेलकम, मोस्ट वेलकम,
शुक्रिया सर.
मोस्ट वेलकम. क्योंकि इन बच्चों को देख के मुझे अपने दिन याद आ जाते हैं. हाँ, जब हमारा भी ट्रिप ऐसे जाता था, when फाइनल ईयर एट दैट टाइम वी हैड पैन इंडिया ट्रिप, सो वी वेंट टू द ईस्ट. हम दार्जिलिंग, कैलकाटा, पुरी इस तरफ गए थे. मोस्टली साउथ जाते हैं, बट हमारा बैच था जो लकी था, तो हम 10-11 बच्चे थे, प्लांट ब्रीडिंग और एक्सटेंशन एजुकेशन के. सो वी वर टेकन टू द ईस्ट. तो दार्जिलिंग में टी गार्डन्स देखे, कैलकाटा में बोटेनिकल गार्डन देखा, उनकी कल्याणी यूनिवर्सिटी देखी. सो लाइक दैट. So, okay, all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Right.
That occurred for 2 or 3 years, because it is not a single time event that we have brought a single page from the Australia or Canada and then established it in India. So this thing happened for probably for 3 or 4 years. Then repeated introductions have been made, and finally after 64, we were able to rear this page into India. And you know the technique through which this has been introduced? We do not know. Previously, what we have in India, which bee species?
नहीं,
Sirana.
सिराना.
So they use the
Sirana.
intraspecific queen introduction technique. Intraspecific queen introduction technique. So what happens in this technique? They use the hive of Apis sirana and introduce the Apis mellifera queen into Apis sirana hive. So those workers have accepted the Apis mellifera queen, and it starts laying the egg in the cells of the Apis sirana
Yes,
moth.
sir.
And after some times the workers of the mellifera starts emerging, and finally the sirana workers are diminished. Okay, through this way this queen has been made successful. The introduction has been made successfully. Why it is considered as an important agricultural subsidy occupation? Because it is generating some revenue in addition to that agriculture. If you are a farmer, you can keep some colonies along the way, and you know that the only you have a certain area on which you are performing agriculture, and you have a certain amount of money that you are getting from that. So from where you can increase your profit. So that is why it's called an additional source. It generates some additional revenue. So that is why it is considered as the vital agriculture subsidiary occupation. Secondly is employment generation. So what is there? If you are maintaining a pyre of 100 colonies, there is a requirement of the manpower also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, no?
Plant breeding and genetics, whatever the varieties which are released by the plant breeding, they are here they have shown for the demonstration purpose during the Kisan Mela or any kind of visits like students or any extension activities.
College of Horticulture and Forestry, in which we have division of fruit science. In this fruit science we have two farms. One is the research farm, and this is the old college orchard cum citrus nursery. So here usually we have more of citrus. Like we have some citrus research experimentation there. We have some mango area, and then we have this citrus nursery, and this citrus nursery is here to isolate it from the main nursery. Otherwise our main nursery is 3 km in the, what we call it old orchard, that is a new orchard. But that new orchard is around 75 acres, this is only 20 acres. So here we have this citrus nursery, and the main purpose of this citrus nursery was to provide foundation, or we can say standard nursery plants to progressive growers. So very important thing is that you prune your mother trees and you should not take fruits from them.
बस बेटा ये चीज़ है, फ्रूट लोगे तो क्या होगा, सारे न्यूट्रिएंट उसमें चले जाएंगे,
Yes, sir.
वेजिटेटिव ग्रोथ होगी नहीं. तभी अभी एंटर किया, अरुण कहता सर इतने लंबे ट्रीज हैं, मैं कहा बेटा ये बर्ड स्टिक के लिए हैं, अदरवाइज आपको फ्रूट मिलना था इस सीजन में. लोग देखते नहीं प्लांट.
Yes, sir.
दूसरी चीज़ ये कि मान लो अगर आपने फर्स्ट टाइम प्लांट लगाए, यू आर नॉट श्योर, लाइक वी आर वेरी मच श्योर, हमारे को उनके ऑर्चर्ड लगे, तो फर्स्ट टाइम यू कैन टेक द फ्रूट. आपके मान लो हमसे यहाँ से प्लांट लेके नई नर्सरी और स्टार्टिंग, so you can have the fruit for the first
आइडेंटिफिकेशन.
so that okay they are 2 to 5 तो किन्नू ही है, आप आइडेंटिफाई करो, है ना. after that you can do. So you should know what are the major components of nursery. Major components is a seed garden. Major component is the, we can say, mother block. So both should be clonal. As recommended is 2 parts soil, 1 part farmyard manure, and 1 part cocoa peat. Okay.
क्या ये?
So cocoa peat is prepared from the cocoa husk. So very important thing is that when you buy it, okay, you ensure that its electrical conductivity should be less. Say it should be around 0.5 decisiemens per meter. होता क्या है, when those people prepare it, it needs to be washed for a very long time. But for washing, it needs a lot of money, it needs a lot of time, it needs a lot of water. So उदे करके क्या होता है, they do not wash it properly, so they just make it. So EC check is very important. You should ensure from your buyer that how much is EC. अदर कोको पीट तो सारी एक सी लगेगी आपको, है ना. But only thing is, चलो कई और भी पैरामीटर हैं, लेकिन मेन EC है, मतलब EC should be low. Okay, so whenever you are buying, you should ensure that whether you are going for protected cultivation vegetables also, you do soilless, so EC should be low. Okay, so
ये ट्रेन में था क्या ये पता?
Yes, sir.
these are known as root drainers.
रूट ट्रेन में तो
Okay, so usually we do not use this kind of seedling, we use for those for seedling growing. So
Small.
citrus में क्या है, जैसे आप देखोगे ये तो चलो और पर्पस की ट्रे है. Citrus में क्या है ना, you might have seen trays in we can say plug trays in vegetable crop.
Yes, sir.
Those are small.
Small.
क्योंकि उसका रूट सिस्टम छोटा होता है, वो प्लास्टिक की होती है, वन टाइम यूज आप उसको
Yes,
कट
sir.
करके देते हो. So here we use them again and again. So here इनकी ये मेन चीज़ है, इनकी मिनिमम 4 इंच होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज सिट्रस हैज लॉन्गर रूट. क्योंकि जितने टाइम हमारे पास रहेगा इसकी लंबी जड़ होगी. अगर इफ सपोज वी यूज अ स्मॉलर वन, इसकी रूट कॉइलिंग हो जाएगी. कॉइलिंग शुड नॉट बी देयर. सो दीज आर ओपन फ्रॉम हियर.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. सो देयरफॉर इसको हमने जब भी रखना है किसी सॉफ्ट मीडिया पे रखना है, लाइक सीमेंट पे नहीं होना चाहिए, ताकि अगर रूट नीचे भी आए इट डज नॉट कॉइल। तो सीड सोइंग के बाद क्या होता है, ठीक है, व्हेन द सीडलिंग वी ग्रो अ लिटिल बिट, वी कैन से in January, February we will be transplanting. Like here you can see these are some, we transplanting some old seedlings right now. Therefore they are dying because we did them out of season. So after transplanting these seedlings in, we can say August somewhere, they will become like this. Okay. जब ये इतनी हो जाएंगी that they should have a 6 to 7 mm diameter at around 9 inches.
Okay.
Then we will be budding them. Okay. So here you can see inverted T budding they have done. And after 20-25 days it depends upon season. Usually the bud takes place in 3 weeks. लेकिन ये सीजन पे डिपेंड करता है। अगर हम अभी बड करेंगे, दिस इज फॉल सीजन, फॉल सीजन की बडिंग हमेशा स्प्रिंग में खुलेगी। अदरवाइज अगर आप स्प्रिंग से लेके से सितंबर तक करते हो, सो वी विल बी ओपनिंग देम आफ्टर 2 to 3 वीक्स, 20 days 21 days है ना। तो इनको हम टेप हम फुल्ली कवर कर लेते हैं। यूजुअली पीपल कीप, अगर आप देखो एप्पल थोड़ी सी रखते हैं बर्ड के लिए, वी डू नॉट कीप दैट बिकॉज दैट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम। ठीक है, मेन तो वही है, टाइम बचाना है। सो आफ्टर 20 रियली ओपनिंग, एंड उसके बाद हम इसको इमीडिएटली भी कट इट हेयर,
ऊपर से कट कर दें।
ठीक है। यूजुअली पीपल आल्सो कट इट हेयर, यू कैन कट इट एनीवेयर, बट हाउ वी डिसाइड, समटाइम वी कट हेयर, समटाइम वी कट हेयर, वी डिसाइड अपॉन द क्लाइमेट। इसमें क्या, जैसे हम यहाँ पानी डाल रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो अगर वी कट इट हेयर, ये पत्ते तो हम रिमूव ही करेंगे, से साइंस सिर्फ छोटा सा है, एक पत्ता या कुछ भी नहीं है। So what happen, root rot can happen.
Okay.
So therefore we keep this. So these leaves they will be having a transpirational pull, जिसके वजह से कैल्शियम बोरोन तो उसी से आएगा, और because of that transpirational pull it will also getting some food. So once it sprouts little bit, then we cut it at a lower level. ठीक है, so here you can see once it's sprouted they give a second cut at a lower level.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, so like this, then these plants will be, here you can see now it has grown up. So when it will grow more, then they will become straight. So you can also do staking.